The TANCET 2021 application process has commenced from January 19 and the last date of application is February 12. In this video, we will show you the step-by-step procedure on how to fill TANCET 2021 application form. First and foremost, you have to visit the official website of TANCET, which is tancet.annauniv.edu/tancet/. Click on the tab TANCET registration to get started with the process. The page that opens is for login and registration. While already registered candidates can log in by entering their credentials, first-time users will have to click on the registration tab, which will open the registration form. In the registration form, enter the personal details such as name, email ID, date of birth, create password, SSLC or class 10 roll number, community or category, nativity, which is Tamil Nadu or other states, and the choice of exam from the options of MBA, MCA, MTech, ME, MArch or MPlan. Lastly, enter the CAPTCHA code and click on Submit. You will receive the registration confirmation on top of the page and will have to log in with the generated credentials to fill up the TANCET application form. The next step is to pay the application fee by clicking on Make Payment button. There are three modes of payment: credit card, debit card and net banking. Once the payment process is successful, you will be redirected to the application form. The TANCET 2021 application form is divided into 5 parts, which are personal details, educational details, examination details, photograph and signature upload. In the personal details section, enter your gender, detailed address, state and click on Next. In the educational details, enter your year of passing class 10 and class 12, roll number of class 12, qualifying degree or bachelor's degree, specialization and year of passing. Candidates in final year of their graduation have to type NA in the year of passing. In the examination details section, choose the test center city from the drop-down list of 15 cities where TANCET 2021 is conducted in Tamil Nadu. The next step is to upload recent scanned colored photograph of 200 x 300 pixels in JPG, JPEG or PNG format. For uploading signature, the file size should be 200 x 70 pixels and the file format should be JPG, JPEG or PNG. The final stage is to confirm the information entered and click on Submit button to complete the TANCET 2021 application process. Before the final submission, cross-check and verify all the information to avoid any wrong entry. The final confirmation will be displayed on screen. You can check the application status and print the application for future reference by logging in. This was all about TANCET 2021 application process.